As we discussed in part one of my general liability discussion, we revealed how the majority of real estate investor or new home builder policies do not have coverage for work performed by the subs or the GCs. So one of the questions I get asked is, well, if my policy doesn't include work performed by subs, that's okay because my subs or my GC's policy does have the coverage. And my response to that is, not so fast.
We've been extremely satisfied with Lowry Insurance. We actually had much easier coverage at the end of the day.
They saved us a tremendous amount of money.
So here are some of the reasons why you don't want to rely on your subs for their insurance in the event of a claim. Number one, subs don't always pay their insurance bills, so there's a good chance at the time of a claim the sub doesn't even have insurance. Number two, at the time of a claim, which could be years down the road, the subcontractor may not be in business anymore or you can't find them. Number three, subs have a tendency to subcontract their work. In a market like we're in now, which is hot, hard to find labor, ABC Plumbing may be who you have your contract with, but they actually get XYZ Plumbing to come out and do the work. Unfortunately, you'll have a contract with ABC Plumbing, and that's who you'll get the invoice from. The only way you find out that XYZ Plumbing did the work is when the claim occurs, and that's not the time to find out. And number four, this is important and happens quite often. All subcontractors have insurance, but we can't determine the at-fault party at the time of the claim. In one of my commercials, we've recreated this exact scenario.
The best part about buying a new construction home? Everything is brand new and works perfectly. That doesn't sound right. Wait. Oh, crap.
The sewer line got crushed, so when the concrete guy came out to fill in the driveway, the concrete also got into the sewer line. As a result, within 90 days of the homeowner moving into their brand new house, sewer was backing up into both the kitchen and the bathroom. We could not determine who crushed the pipe, so ultimately my home builder was held responsible and had to pay for the claim through their insurance carrier. In conclusion, and one extremely important aspect for the new home builders and why they need proper general liability insurance is in construction defect states, they will be held through the statute of repose for any of their work that they do. So in North Carolina, for example, which is a construction defect state, if you build a home in 2020, you're not off the hook from liability purposes or issues until 2026. As a result, proper general liability is a must, not just for the new home builders, but also real estate investors. So the message is clear here, guys. New home builders and real estate investors need proper general liability insurance, and you don't want to rely on the subcontractor or GC for their insurance. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or want to review your current program, contact me today and within minutes we'll offer solutions. I look forward to hearing from you. These educational videos are sponsored by Central Insurance Companies, fulfilling their promise to policyholders since 1876.